welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Hey guys, welcome back to 25 DIYs of Christmas. Today we are doing some farmhouse home decor. These I made for the girls because they were just so cute and I had all the products on hand, so I wanted to include this. This would be a really fun project for you to do for a baby coming into the world, or a friend, or your just home decor in general. So it's really cute. It's very on trend with the farmhouse theme right now. So we use chalked up paint and we use some glitter on one of them, and we use two different stencil things, techniques, which is also put into another video for you guys to learn how to do the reverse stencil technique 100%. And it matches both of their rooms, and it was super easy, super fun, and took actually Landis did the majority of it, and it took us probably 20 minutes to make it. So it's a really fun, easy, practical DIY that can decorate your house on trend. All right, let's go. All right, so for this fall decor, I love it. It's amazing. So we're using stencil vinyl, some glitter, some chalked up paint, and some silk flowers. So this one I did not glitter, so I'm just gonna show you me taking the stencil vinyl off of it. This is an SVG we have available under animals or cute designs, or both. So all we did was laid out our stencil onto this white piece of wood. I got at Michael's. You can get them in I think they're the table decor section, and they come in like a pack of 7 for $15, and then you use your coupon, you get it for like less than $1. So awesome. So I just use stencil vinyl for this, obviously, but if you have questions on how to do that portion, I have lots of videos on how to use stencil vinyl. So then while my paint is wet, I'm gonna go in with some of my glitter. This glitter is called Vidia. It is from our Tinkerbell collection of our glitter on shopauntitay.com. And we also carry the stencil vinyl on there, as well as our amazing transfer tape, and all members get 20% off. So if you're not a crafting member of my website, check that out if you like all these products and you want to shop our store regularly. Okay, so I'm just gonna scratch these little details in because I didn't feel like pulling the vinyl off. All right, so now I'm gonna take this huge bunch of flowers and only use like 4 of them because it's way too big for this project, which is good because I can use these flowers for another project as well. So the green and blue bundle was so cute because it had succulents in it, and succulents are really popular right now, so I felt like that was perfect for fall decor. The purple one might be a little bit more for like a nursery or a little girl's room, or a pretty bathroom, but I think that it's really cute and you can just kind of mess around with it. And then I just used some twine to hot glue onto the back so that you can hang these if you want. And it's super simple and a really inexpensive fall DIY.